Who is she?
She is my mother.
Okay, nice. What's your name?
My name is Kadim Aslam.
Ask me.
What's your name?
My name is Mehdi Hassan. Thank you. What's your mother's name?
My mother name is Jasmine.
What's your father's name?
My father name is Aminul Islam Khoga.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Red. Okay. What color is it? Is it yellow or pink? Or black? Is it black color?
No,
So what color is it?
red.
It's red. Hello?
It's red.
Okay. Nice. Do you know the name of this color? What color is it?
White.
It's white. And what is this?
This is leaf.
Leaf. And what is that? What is this? This is a
This is a plant.
plant. Nice. Or a tree, right? Okay.
Goodbye. Take care. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. প্রথম ভিডিও একটু নার্ভাসনেস ছিল আর কতটা ভালো মতো এখন শিখে নিই আশা করি আর ভালো হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ